Once onion get fried, you guys see that I have this is onion paste. You see this mix. Once onion get little fried, and then same time I added this, that 4 teaspoons butter. You cannot make this dish without butter. Okay. The next, once this onion get little fried, you don't want to fry too much. And the next thing is the ginger garlic paste. Then I have here is Kashmiri red chili powder. This is not too hot, it's not too spicy, but it gives very good color. This masala, chicken tikka masala powder. You can see very nice bright color is coming. See, now I have the almonds and cashew nut paste. Let's put the food color. And now we have to work hard here. At least 5 minutes. And we're going to check same time here. I'll turn this. Sugar, 1 tablespoon sugar. If you want, you can skip this, but if you don't put the sugar, you will not get the chicken tikka masala taste. You can even use the the natural sugar or honey, or you can skip that. You guys can able to see it here. We'll just keep eye on it on tikka. If you don't want to do the barbecue outside here like that, you can do on the frying pan inside the house, or you can use the oven inside the house. can cook this thing on the frying pan too. Just make sure you're not putting everything in once. Just divide that like a, like a 2-3 inches different when you're putting on the frying pan, and it comes out it's too good. But my children want to eat like this way, so that's why I'm doing this extra work. You see? Now, this is the time now. You see, I had it. This is from in the cane theory. I bought it this. You know why I bought this? Because this one it gives you the silkiness in your, with cream and butter and this. And this one, I made this paste fresh, 3 tomatoes, medium size. And now I will use this kasuri methi. Sometimes they crush this and then then they put it this. I don't make a powder and then they put it. I like it as it is. I don't like when they make a powder from there. So this, and that for cream, which I have the milk here. I do have the milk, so I'm going to make this cream. Which cream I bought it is expired, so I cannot put that, and weather is very very bad. So which one? What I'm going to do, it is cold here. Same time it's cold. This cream. If you have cream, of course you use the cream. But I made it this cream from the milk. I will cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay? And this is like a low flame. Okay? And now we come here. Do the little bit brush with oil. Now it's time to open this and see the surprise. Okay, now what I will do, I think this consistency is good, but it's sometimes people what they do, they drain the strainer, they use the strainer and do and they want it like that type creamy, very very soft, but I like it and my children like it this way. So we're going to do it, and what I will do, I will use little bit butter here. Just this much now. Later if we need it we will do it. And what I will do, salt. We need a salt. That's what I will put it. Okay, I just need a little bit salt. If I need more, then first I will taste. I will check this taste. Please try this way with chicken tikka masala and give me the feedback. And let me know that how you guys cook this. If you like it, please subscribe. Please subscribe and share with family, friends, fans, neighbor, co-worker. Each one, please subscribe and let them. If you eat this, because it's not, I'm saying because I made it, please try and let me know. Okay, I'm going to still close this and let it cook for in low flame, and we will check here. Okay, we need another 2 and 2 minutes each side. Be cleaning the snow. And now I want to show this. How good is this? And I'll show you guys. Until this become there. I will do the low. Actually, I will close this last two and leave it on low. And I'll be back. I needed some tray to put everything inside, and then I'll show you guys inside. Chicken tikka masala. You need to make first this, then your chicken tikka masala will be awesome. But you have to make chicken tikka masala good too. And this another thing which I wanted to show you guys. This is the chicken tikka masala. I just have to add the chicken in there because this chicken is cooked already, so you don't need to cook with that more. So the crunchiness and that will be go away. So I will show you how to do the garnishing and to eat. And this is the work, and believe me, everything comes out very tasty. I want you guys try, please try once, and then please give me the feedback and subscribe, share, please, and let me know how this look like. Is very good, but taste is more better than that. It's very tasty. Please try and give me the feedback. Thanks for watching.